Looks like somebody didn't check the weather report. What? Cat got your tongue? Or do you not recognize me? I guess that makes sense. You're usually watching your shoes or staring out the window. Are you, like, trying to do the whole cool loners thing or something? Of course I noticed you in the lecture hall. Everyone notices you. You give yourself like 6 buffer seats, and no one knows how to approach you. You really aren't the best of words, are you? Whatever, that's fine. Come on. You don't have to talk all that much. My friends say I talk enough for all of us. What do you mean, what do I mean? It's raining. You don't have an umbrella. I do. I can walk you to the bus stop. It's on the way to my apartment anyways. Or are you gonna refuse and just wait until the rain stops? Which, by the way, it won't. Gonna make a run for it? Or gonna walk with me? Yeah, that's what I thought. Come on. Standing close. The umbrella's not quite big enough for both of us unless we squeeze in. We heading to the bus stop first, right? I think I've seen you step off one, right? Do you commute far? Living with family still. Must be nice. My folks are a couple cities away, so staying with them really isn't feasible. But getting my own place to stay is pretty nice. Even the neighbors are all really sweet. The lady across the hall gave me a whole apple crumble the other day, even. Like, how am I supposed to eat all that? I guess I could invite my friends over, but some of them are kind of like small doses friends, you know? I love them, but only for a couple of hours at a time. And as I learn that I'm on my own, they'll basically just move into my place as their second home. I like living alone for the alone aspect. After class and my part-time work, sometimes I just want to veg out and watch a movie or play a game or something. Of course I play games. It's like a movie, but you can be part of it. It's the best of both worlds. Oh, by the way, did you catch, like, any of that last lecture? I swear, trying to keep that professor on track is like herding cat. It's impossible to keep him on track. Non sequitur after non sequitur. Sometimes I don't even know what kind of lecture it's supposed to be. Like, is this philosophy? Business? Religious studies? Make up your mind. I almost lost it when he brought up. Nice driving, asshole! Ugh. Well, if that don't beat all, I'm soaked. A lot of good the umbrella, dude. Thanks, though. I saw you try to cover me with your body. I bet if I took all that water, I'd be washed away right now. Oh, take a right up here. I think we might need to take a pit stop by my place to dry off a bit. I'm sure nobody around you would appreciate you being soaked through on the bus, right? You least of all. There. There it is. I'm on the second floor. Just be sure to take off your shoes at the door, yeah? Feels nice already. I think I might turn on the heater though. I tried not to let the bill get too high, but I think we've earned it. You know, you don't have to stand awkwardly at the door, right? Come in. May as well enjoy it, right? Or are you nervous about being alone with a girl in her room? Just kidding. Did you get excited from it? Come in. I got some clothes you could wear. It should all fit. Yeah, I think they're your size. Aww. Are you getting worried about my girlfriend? Worried about what she'd do to you if she discovered we were alone together? Don't want to wear her shirt and pants? Yeah. Do you want to be wet and miserable while we talk? Don't worry. She's my ex. You know, it's like Law of the Jungle. Girlfriends get to steal their girlfriend's jackets and clothes. Well, she never asked for them back. So it's my clothes now. Oh, come on. I know I have some somewhere. Ah. Here. Catch. Sorry about the design. She was a film major, and I thought it would be cool to date a film major, but she was like super pretentious about it. Only watched stuff she considered a film. She was super anal about it. Like, what made something special? Are you blushing because I said anal? Like, because she was particular. Oh, that's so cute, actually. Bathroom's on the right through that door. Get changed. We can toss your clothes in the dryer after I get changed too. Took you long enough. Did you fall in? Or were you peeking through my medicine cabinet? I won't find all my Tylenol in your pockets if I check, right? You can take one of the towels out of the closet there to dry your hair. I spent some time making sure mine wasn't soaked either. I'll get our stuff all in the dryer after I rest a bit. The laundry room is in a communal basement in this complex, and it's finally starting to warm up in here. I don't want to get the chills again. You don't have to look so nervous. You can sit anywhere. Make yourself comfortable. We're already friends, right? Like I told you earlier, I don't invite anyone to my room. So we're like best friends at this point. Basically. Ugh. What time is it? I gotta start on dinner soon. You wanna stay and eat with me? It's not much different cooking for one person or two, you know. And I've got kind of a lot of chicken breasts that gotta go. Did you just look at my tits when I said chicken breast? Oh my god. Are you that nervous about being alone with me? Think that something's gonna happen that quickly? I'm almost hurt that you'd think so. I'll have you know that I am a polite, respectable young lady who needs to wait at least the second date for that. Maybe the first and a half if you're cute. Kidding. Do you have any restrictions? Anything you don't like? Can't eat? I was planning on making some oyakodon. Real comforting on a rainy day like today. And it's real simple to boot. Oh? Why are you blushing now? Does it mean something? You should fill me in. And if you don't tell me, I'll just Google it up later. It's better to learn from a friend, right? Okay, okay. You got me. I know what it is. But the food is really, really good too. No joke. Don't believe me? Fine. Just you wait here. I'll have it out in 2 shakes of a lamb's. I mean, I'll have it out real quick. Eat it while it's hot. The fresher the better. See? I told you it's good. Mama always had a few secrets she'd like to put into it. I can get you a few recipes if you like. She didn't let me leave home without a binder full of them. Maybe tomorrow we could stop by the library and get some of them photocopied or something. What? Did you think we wouldn't see each other again after today? Come on, we're friends now. I think it'll be nice to get to know you more. You let me just kind of yap, but it never feels like I'm talking at you. It's real nice. And, like, you actually seem like you know what's happening in lectures usually. I'd love it if I could steal your notes sometime. Maybe have a private tutor in my new friend. Please. I don't want to bomb next week's test. I don't want to think about it. Like, what'll happen to me if I do? You will? Yay! You're the best. I knew I liked you for a reason. You know, I'm all full and warm now. I don't think I want to go into the basement still. Why don't we watch a movie or something? I've got some popcorn in the cupboard. And a few nice blankets. It sounds like a great time for a night in, doesn't it? Damn, storms? I thought it was gonna stop raining. You know, it's probably real dangerous even just going to the bus stop. You can stay here tonight if you want. Just on the couch. Yeah? Nothing meant by it. Promise. You sure you don't want to stay? I think it's just gonna keep getting worse. And if you wanted to catch the next bus, you'd need to sprint. And like, if you stayed, you could just watch a movie, or you could help my studies, or... Are you sure? Oh, you wanna leave a girl like me all alone on a night like tonight? Oh. Alright, take my umbrella. Be sure to return it and my clothes to me tomorrow. I'll have your stuff ready by then too. I'm looking forward to our next date. Come by again soon, okay? I wonder if I really could consider this a date.